going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports YouTube channel. It is going to be an excellent night here at Delaware Speedway. It is JRD Motorsports Fan and Partner Appreciation Night. JRD Nation is coming over 200 strong here, and hopefully many more watching here on YouTube after the fact. So all those seats up there are going to be filled with JRD Motorsports people tonight. We got clappers thanks to Impressions Printing. We got all kinds of stuff. We got banners up top up there. And on top of it all, it's career start number 99 and career start number 100 for me and JRD Motorsports tonight. I'll be in our JRD Motorsports Bingo Country Jackpot Time number 28 Super Stock. And I'm also going to be in the SMS Equipment number 14 Pro Late Model, filling in for Paul Major. So very excited for tonight. Thank you for coming along for the ride. Let's get going for practice here shortly, and then we got a full night of heat races, features for a 35 laps for the late model and a 50 lapper in the Super Stock. Rotate nicely off, but I don't know if that was a result of the middle. I couldn't tell because I was doing the middle. Like, I felt like I had a lot of wheel into it. Like, I felt like I was a good 90 degrees wheel into it in the middle of the corner trying to get it to turn, and then it just kept wanting to push up. But it was weird because it was like light rear into the corners, and then just all of a sudden cloud. We were pretty good in practice. The Super Stock, we were 4th fastest. I felt like we had a little bit more, but didn't feel like burning stuff up. And I think that once the track cools down, it's going to come to us. So late model, we were 7th fastest. We were like really close, and we were only 2.5 tenths off at first. So we just got to get the car snugged up a little bit middle, and then freed up a little bit. Not a good problem to have in a race car, but Velocity race car guys are working on it, and I think for the heat races, we're going to be hopefully pretty decent.
Fixing something.
Then go through tech like normal and run over.
So getting all set to go. Inventory Express Superstock, heat race number 1. Brandon Andrews, Chuck Benson on the front row street. 10 laps of the distance. We'll go to your 8 models.
Thank you so much, Kyle. I am joined by the busiest man on track here tonight at Delaware Speedway, here in Ryan Dyson. Ryan, tonight for you, pack the track night for you and your fans here tonight. Take me through what this night is going to be like for you.
Yeah, we brought, I think, close to 250 people by the time it was all said and done, so that's awesome. I can't thank everyone enough for all the support and stuff. When we started this dream in 2017, it was just that. It was a dream, and I never thought it'd be possible to even get to this level. So to have that many people here to support us is pretty bittersweet, I think. And yeah, I'm busy tonight running the late model and then the super stock, and then just to top it all off, it's an extra length super stock race. So I think with practice and stuff, we'll run like 150 laps here tonight, but it's still less laps than we ran when we ran the NASCAR race, so I can do it.
Now, obviously, like we mentioned, a lot of laps. Take me through both cars here tonight, not only with the super stock, but in the late model. How are both cars handling here tonight?
Our super stock is dynamite as usual. Just the format bit us. I can only pass so many cars and so many laps in the heat race, but the extra laps in the feature are definitely welcome, and I think we can get to the front. The Major Motorsports late model, it's I just don't have the laps in a late model, to be honest with you, but hopefully shoot for a top 5 tonight with it. Once we got back down to the bottom in the heat race, we kind of got hung up to dry. Once we got back down to the bottom, it was pretty good, and I think we were catching the cars in front of us. So hopefully we can get down to the bottom and ride to a decent finish for Paul.
Now, what's going to be the key tonight? Obviously, 50 laps in the super stock tonight. What's going to be the key for you trying to maybe get yourself in victory lane tonight?
I feel like we should have had a couple already this year. Just having to come from 10th every night as the points leader is tough. I just feel like we didn't have enough laps. So the extra laps is the trick, I think, tonight. And I guess it just doesn't matter how we get there. We just got to get there.
Hopefully you find your way and get the checkers. Best of luck tonight, Ryan.
Well, there will be one heck of a party if we do. Don't you worry.
Back upstairs for more.
And on the inside of row 5, also from London, it's the 28 of Ryan Dyson. Oh, he's got a lot of fans here. 250. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drivers, start going! He's a long-time racer here out of Delaware. I played a number of years ago. I just bring it every year. Here we go,
down on the throttle, we could just feel it and make sure that it's all good.
Well, you guys have been doing one lap.
Drop the car!
3. Green flag set to fly. 35 laps to settle it here tonight. Green in the air, we're off.